Okay, hello everyone. Welcome back for another Sunday stream. Get your water ready. Water, coffee, cider, whiskey, shandy, brandy. You name it. Get your liquids ready. We're going to have an enjoyable live stream on this fine Sunday evening. Hello, the chat is kicking. Sunday Club is a go. David's in the gym getting it on a Sunday evening. I love that. Love that. But how is the market getting on? It's actually been getting on not too shabby. Bitcoin has recovered from the stream, which I imagine those watching the stream now tuned into last week's stream, which was bottoms in. Bitcoin crash over, what comes next at 57k. Now we are up at 64k. So congrats to those who tuned in to that live stream, because yeah, that was basically at the bottom, which was nice to see Bitcoin recovering, getting back up to 64k. Still got a long way to go, but it's good to see that could be a potential bottom for Bitcoin. Definitely a short-term bottom. Is it going to be a long-term bottom? We need to wait and see how that plays out. But we've found some support, we've found some bottom. Bitcoin has bounced. We're now up at 64k. Let's see what prevails over the next week. Can we chat a little bit about Antara, Alvara and Drift tonight? I think some people need a mindset check on it. Yeah, I will do a quick check-in on it. The rest will be done on members live streams, because this is a public live stream. But let's get in, let's have a look at the rest of the crypto market. How is the rest of the market getting on? And to be fair, like when you look at it over the last 7 days, it's up 0%. It's like it's not moved, but that's just because it had such a fall from this level, and it's just reclaimed that level. So that's why if you don't get too caught up in the day-to-day price action and you base it on weeks, on months, nothing actually happened then. It's like there's a 0% change from last week. But in between then, the day-to-day, it fell really sharp and everyone was really scared. Then it's pumped back up again really fast and everyone's really bullish. But it's just still 64k. Which is why some people don't look at prices or care about the day-to-day prices, which is, I would recommend that you detach from emotion on day-to-day prices and look at the year, zoom out. We've said it a billion times, a trillion times. If in doubt, zoom out. So how does it look over the past year? It looks pretty good. It looks pretty good. So, of course, on tonight's stream, we're going to be discussing Borg, because Borg has been performing pretty well over the past couple of days as well. I think it's up over 10-15%, which is nice. But yeah, Ethereum $3,100, BNB $590, Solana $147, XRP 53 cents, which has done okay recently. In fact, I wanted to show you. So those who tuned in to last week's stream, XRP was out of this box. It was down here. It was out of the big, how long is this? 4, 5, 6 year triangle. Oh, it wasn't this one. It was the other one. But it's basically back in this box from last week's stream, which is good to see the breakout before the 1st of June. And if you look on this one, it's just creeping inside. But on last week's stream we were way out of here, so it's like, oh, is that it? Is XRP going to go to 10 cents? Or is it going to get back inside this triangle and then break out before the 1st of June? What do you think? Because I know there's a lot of XRP holders that follow the channel, and I know there's a lot of XRP haters from X, which is fine, which is fair. We're all entitled to what we like, what we hate. But yeah, that was XRP. It's grinding away in there, making its way back. Then we've got Dogecoin at 16 cents. That's actually pretty low when you think about Dogecoin at 16 cents. What was it in the last bull market? Like 50 cents? 60 cents? Yeah, it is really low. Dogecoin was up at almost 60 cents. So all of the other meme coins are, yeah, taking away the liquidity from Dogecoin, which it is what it is. Then we've got TCOIN, which has made its first appearance in the top 10. Any TCOIN holders in here tonight? I'm not a TCOIN holder myself. I don't have a clue what TCOIN is. There is over 3 million cryptocurrencies. It is impossible to know every crypto, but it's listed on all major exchanges, which, yeah, you would expect it to be in the top 10 worldwide cryptos. Its all-time high was 20 days ago. Its all-time low was 3 years ago at 39 cents. Let's have a look at TCOIN. TCOIN. The open network for everyone. A decentralised and open internet created by the community using a technology designed by Telegram. Getting started is easy. All you need is Telegram. The wallet gives you direct access to TCOIN from Telegram. Enjoy commission-free crypto transfers to any Telegram user. It's pretty cool. Retain full control of your TCOIN and other digital assets in the space. So the crypto is at the heart of TCOIN. It is used for network operations, transactions, games, and collaborations. Unlock freedom with DeFi, pools, bind trade, cross-chain. So is this a... So build your product for a global audience, unlock access to millions of Telegram users, be part of the movement. Is there any holders in the chat? Because the reason that this is pretty cool, because Telegram, the reason that I potentially would like this is that Telegram is not... what's the word? What do you call? What's the word? So the likes of Coinbase, they are compromised. So Telegram isn't compromised. So Google, YouTube, sorry, I'm on your platform, I'm saying this. Instagram, Facebook, they're all compromised. So they do what the boss at the top of the world says. So they say censor this, censor that, and they do it. Telegram does not abide by those rules. Telegram is not compromised. So the fact that this TCOIN is operating on Telegram, I would be interested to learn more in this. I'm not going to do it right now because it will take a long time to learn, but yeah, possibly that's a good thing to see that coin be in the top 10 because it is not compromised, which is good, really good. In fact, let's see how another project that is not compromised is getting on, Monero. So Monero had a massive sell-off when Binance, because Binance are now compromised, we'll see that word a lot now, when they kicked out CZ from Binance, they inserted a US government puppet, essentially, in the place of CZ Binance. And then a few short days or weeks after that, they decided to delist the 48th biggest cryptocurrency in the world that's been here for, I don't know how long. Monero's been here a long time. Yeah, crypto that's been here for over 10 years. Binance decided to delist it. Why? Because it's a privacy coin. And the little US government puppet that is in charge of Binance, US government says, we don't like privacy. Privacy is a crime in their eyes. Delist that. We don't want anybody transacting in Monero. So the little puppet, the little compromised puppet, delisted Monero. So no one on Binance can buy Monero anymore. And I'm sure a lot of other exchanges delisted it. The little puppets, the little shitbags that they are. So yeah, that's Monero. That's Monero. But we will have a look at the chat. So before we touch on Swissborg, let's have a chat about Antara, Ovara, Drift. I don't even know what we can discuss. So Antara, Ovara, Drift are seed rounds that CC Pro participated in, and they are up multipliers from the price that we bought them in the seed round. Some of them had a big rally on launch. They are now down from that rally on launch, but they still sit multipliers above the seed round. So yeah, I don't know what much more I can say on that. A seed round, you're expecting, you need to work in years on seed rounds, or at least a year. Those seed rounds were like 2 months ago. And the whole point in seed rounds is that they raise capital to go out and build a product. So if you invest in a seed round and you wait 2 months, they've had the funds for 2 months. You don't go into that business and say, what's happening, it's been 2 months. It's like they're trying to build a multi-million or potentially billion-dollar project. It's not going to be done within 2 months. So yeah, as always, patience. And also it's up 2-3x from the seed round, so I don't know where the impatience stems from. I don't know if people want kind of 100x immediately. I don't know where the impatience stems from, but yeah, we'll cover that more on a member stream in more detail. But that's just a quick one. Have some patience. Look at, in fact, I will show you something. So we had a similar scenario with this puppy here, with Limewire. So Limewire launched at 20 cents. This candle is a fugazi. This candle doesn't exist, so it launched at 20 cents, I think it was, or 20 or 30 cents it launched at. So had a small movement up and then just plummeted basically from then. So members will know we did a video around here saying about this potentially happening, blah blah blah. But anyway, those who bought at 20 cents, we then, in fact, this is beautiful. So yeah, Limewire launched at 20 cents around here, then proceeded to crash to 5, 6, 7 cents. And then right here, we bought more Limewire for the CC Pro basket, which I imagine a lot of people tuning in tonight are in the CC Pro basket. So yeah, all you had to do, so this was back in May 2023, then we purchased more in August 2023, and then so from 6 cents to April 2024, Limewire pumped 2,800%. So this was a seed round here. This is what happens at the start of a seed round. This is what happens when they build with the money. This is potentially what happens after they've built a product. So use Limewire as a case study because it's the exact same thing. Seed round back here, launch the project crashes for a few weeks or a few months, then they continue to build the product, build, launch. After launch, people use it, people start buying it, people start speculating on it. 2,800% gains. What did it take in there? It took patience, and it took buying lower again. So yeah, use Limewire as a case study for any seed round that you're invested in. That's a good project. It's a decent project. That's essential. I don't know if Jamie, if you're talking about Monero. The thing that would annoy me is if you hold some of the tokens, then the exchange delists it, it will sell your coins at the current price and potentially sell at a loss. You could just send your coins off the exchange. They don't need to automatically market sell all those tokens. You can take them elsewhere. So yeah. Talk about CC Pro. Why should I join? That's the thing. We don't really even try and sell it to anyone. Have a look at those reviews and see all the money that people make when they join, and see if you want to join. This is all that's inside. You've got the CC Pro basket, which is now running risk free. Everyone is up over 5k, and they've got the money back. So yeah, I won't like, I don't need to try and sell you on it. All the info's there. It's the original and best crypto Discord, so if you're in crypto, you should probably be in it. Yeah, we don't kind of go out our way to try and, oh, you need to join because of this. Like, the results are there. It's been here for over 3 years, so yeah, the results are there, the time is there, the reviews are there. The results, the CC Pro basket is now running risk free. Let's have a look at that. It'll be down now, I imagine. But yeah, even now the CC Pro basket's still sitting at 15k, which is nice. But we have $5,000 locked in Tether, so it's running risk free. So yeah, that's a bit on CC Pro. If you want to know more about that, there's a link down below or in the chat. Yeah. But let's get on to, in fact, I'm going to remove this because I don't like the graininess. I need to sort a new cam. See you later. I'm still here. I'm still here, but I just need to remove that. So for yeah, as the title of today's video, Borg. Let's get Borg up on here. Can and will Borg set an all-time high? So yeah, over the past 7 days, Borg was down as low as 18 cents, 17 cents. And now it's back up to 22 cents. So I do actually need to turn on a VPN to get access to this, which is really